Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. To do this, first tap on three dot icon in the corner, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings and now tap on accounts center. Scroll down and tap on personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Tap on your Facebook ID. Scroll down and tap on continue. Scroll down, tap on continue again. Now enter your account password and tap on continue. By doing this process, you can deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you.